Hey guys, welcome back. I am popping on to do my very first layout for May 2022 for Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And I have got this gorgeous kit. It's a page kit called Twinkle, Twinkle. And I picked 3 papers out of it to start. So I chose the wood grain because, it's wood grain. I've got this great Simple Stories. This is Cartabella, Simple Stories. And this is Cartabella. So I've got some gorgeous, pretty papers. So I have that. I picked out my title, which is from the Simple Stories, foam stickers from the Boho Baby collection. So I chose Hello Little One as a starting point. I just know I want to use that. I've got this picture. This is my hand in a cute little baby hand. A 5-week-old little baby hand. So I have that. So I know I want to do something with some of these circle bits. I just got to figure out how I'm going to work that. But I love the circle shape. These are from Minte. They're cardboard stickers from Tiny Miracle. So I have those in mind. And I mean, I've got more of the stickers. I've got matte Nuvo Drop. So I just got to come up with my design. Now, I do think I want to do kind of a shadow box kind of thing, but it's going to take me a little bit of thinking to work it out. So this will be my background piece. So let me just go ahead and trim that. This is the other side of it with a plaid, but I really like this kind of dusty minty shade. Let's see if I cut that. Nope, got to do a little bit more of a trim. So let me go ahead and create this little shadow box-ish idea. So my idea is I want, 2 frames coming out as well, but I want them to kind of open up on all 4 sides, which will create a little nestling shadow box for my goodies. So got to think it through a little bit, but I'll be right back. Check-in time. I did go ahead and create my messy little shadow box. I like the way that it came out. I think it's super interesting. So I have these layers pulled up going this way, and I scuffed them up. I pretty much just used a skinny paintbrush and grabbed it and pulled back my layers with it. So super easy concept. I also notched the corners so that I wouldn't necessarily rip it. Not that I mind that look either. So I just wanted us to be able to see all of the cute patterns underneath. And this is giving me that ability. All right, that's what I have there. Now, do I care which way it goes? Not really. I just kind of like it. I have my photo, which I still need to mat. I gutted these papers, of course, so I can go ahead and use them, which probably will for a couple of quick framing pieces. Got to figure out where I want that to go. And we did talk about how much I liked these circly bits. Like, look at this little guy. So I need to work on my design a little bit, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck my photo a little bit into the left side for really no good reason, but you don't need to see the whole photo. It's just my hand. I mean, the baby hand's a cute thing. And I do know I want this big old title to be prominent on the right side. I like the slightly wonky writing, and it's just such a cute collection. So I'm going in with these cardboard circly bits from Minte. I think they're adorable, and I picked my very favorite ones, including the It's a Girl little circle bit. So they're just gonna float along at the top, and that's gonna be so cute. I'm looking to see if there's anything else I like on this page as well. Now, it's not my child, so, I'm not saying it's our miracle and all that kind of stuff. This is somebody else's miracle. Very cute little miracle at that. I like some of these wordy bits that are on this Minte piece, and it takes me a minute. I'm just trying to see what would be, not that it's like the proper sentiment, but the ones that fit the most for that particular visit. This is the first time we met this little one, and she was very cute and little and squishy and all good things that come along with new babies. So for 2 at a time to get this cute little kit. So I like some of these little foamy shapes. I love when on the sticker sheets that you get these extra little bits and pieces, you know, that would just be in kind of like the dead space. So I always dig that. Let's keep it really interesting. So I went ahead and put sequins in one of those inner borders because the sequins are beautiful and I thought they were just right. And I tried out, auditioned, etc. these little clouds. I'm not going to use them. I'll just use them on the next layout. I felt like I had enough kind of like stuff and it wasn't adding to it at all. So I can just reserve it for next time. They're super, super cute. So I want to go ahead and look at that simple story sheet. And I was like, okay, this little bunny is so perfect for this. I was like, all right, let's see what else might work. And it really isn't going to take a whole lot more. I'm going to go ahead and pop bunny back up, put most of this banner piece along the bottom of the photo. I don't need that final like little puffy ball and tie because you don't see it. Then I'll put the bunny right back up on top of it. So, phew. What else to tell you? What else to tell you? So I've already done 2 layouts with these kids and I got them yesterday, which was so fun. I have the 3rd layout I want to do is one of the kits that have all the tropical leafy bits. And the reason I'm holding off on finishing up my DT work with them is I'm going to be going to a tropical location in between. So I'm going to have to resist, but that layout will be up on the 27th using all of those pretty things. So back to this layout. So I'm really just looking at a couple more of these little foamy bits, and I'm going to have the little bunny hold onto a flower because I thought that was absolutely hilarious. So finally, I went ahead and used those Nuvo drops that we had received. They are a matte Nuvo, which is super interesting, and I'm tapping beneath them so I can get more of that circular shape. When I first put them on, they had more of the shape like a little like soft serve ice cream. So if you give the back of it a nice little tap, it will mound them out. So I'm going to have down below the links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, the Facebook group, as well as the blog. So here are a few still shots of these layouts. They'll also be up on the blog. You see them in my YouTube channel. They'll be on Instagram, here, there, and everywhere. Okay, that is it for today. I will see you guys ever so soon with another video.